Hi guys, welcome to another one of my 5-minute miracle classes. Today we'll be focusing on your inner thighs. Inner thighs are an area in most women that we find most problematic. And this exercise will really give you that tonage that you want, the shape and the definition that we're all trying to get in the inner thigh area. So please include this exercise in your gym sessions, in your home workouts, and follow me on my mat as we go through our 5 minutes. All right guys, get your mat out. Let's get started. Take yourself over to your right side. You're going to extend your right leg all the way out. Release your body to the floor and support your head with your right hand. Your left knee is going to come all the way forward, just like you're tanning on a beach. Relax your body. Only the right leg is doing all the work right now. So when you're ready, take a deep breath. And as you exhale, you're going to lift that right leg as high as it will go and slowly lower it down for 1. Exhale, lift, and 2. Lift, so as you can feel, all of the work is happening from the inner thigh. It's doing all the work to lift your leg up and release it back down. And you're at 7, 8, 9. Last one, you're going to lift and hold. 2 counts of 8. We're holding here. Again, as you're holding, you slowly start to get tired and your leg will slowly start to release. So don't let it do that. Keep lifting it up and breathe. You got 8 more seconds here. Keep holding. I'm starting to already feel my inner thigh burning. And 3, 2. Now tiny little pulses with that right foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna hold for 8 counts. Don't drop that leg out. We're almost done. So keep holding it. This is where all the work is happening now. Your muscle is probably shaking at this point. So keep holding. And 3, 2, and 8 seconds of pulsing up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, guys. Shake it out. All right, let's take it over to the other side. So as soon as you're ready, just switch your legs. And starting with the left leg. So you're gonna let the right knee at this time come all the way forward. Relax your body all the way down. Your hand is supporting your head. Left leg is fully extended. Deep breath. Exhale, let's lift that left leg up for 1. And down, breathe. 3. 7, 8, keep going. And holding 2 counts of 8 here. Hold and breathe. Don't let the left leg drop. And you're at 8 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. If you get tired, you can always relax your head, but don't drop the leg. Let's pulse it out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more seconds. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. 8 seconds. You're almost done. Don't drop it. Don't give up. Keep holding it. And 3, 2, and 8 little tiny pulses up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and drop. Good job, guys. Shake it out. All right, nicely done. That was about 5 minutes, as you can see. Did not need any space except your mat. Very nice work. This is a great exercise to really get down and deep into those inner thighs, toning those areas that a lot of us women have problems with. So please stick to it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.